In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print 1099 form in QuickBooks Online. If you need a copy of a completed 1099 form for your records, printing it in QuickBooks Online is a very simple process. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly access any completed 1099 forms that are already available in your account. To begin, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of QuickBooks Online and click on Expenses. This is where you'll find several vendor-related tools and tax form options. Once you're in that section, select 1099s. This will take you to the area specifically used for managing and reviewing 1099 forms. After that, go to the Completed Forms tab. This tab is important because it shows the 1099s that have already been finalized and are ready to review, download, or print. If you've previously completed any forms, this is where they should appear. If you don't see anything listed here, it usually means there are no completed 1099 forms available yet in the account. Once you're in the Completed Forms section, you'll be able to see all completed forms, if there are any. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want. This is helpful if you've prepared forms for multiple vendors and only need to print one of them. From here you have two options. If you want to download forms, click Download at the top left. This is a good option if you'd like to save a copy to your computer first before printing, or if you want to keep a digital version for your records. On the other hand, if you want to go directly to a specific form, you can click on that form from the list and print it from there. That's really all there is to it. QuickBooks Online makes it easy to access completed 1099 forms once they've been prepared. Just go to Expenses, open 1099s, switch to the Completed Forms tab, and then either download the forms or open one and print it. If you're following along inside your own QuickBooks account, make sure you're looking in the correct tax year if that option is available, since that can affect which forms you see. With that done, you should be able to print your 1099 form without any trouble.